Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to add our gateway service to Docker Compose. So in case you decide you want to run it with Docker Compose, okay? So we have our gateway service. What I will need to do is we follow the same approach, the same way we added the notifications. Let me duplicate this. I will just copy and duplicate this. Now I'll make the first one. I'll call this gateway, okay? So this is the gateway, this is the notifications. But now let's start making changes. The name will be gateway_container, okay? And then the file, the context is going to be let me change it, one-gateway-service, okay? one-gateway-service, and then we have our Docker file already. Here we have the Docker file.dev, okay? We already made changes to this. And then for the ports, the port is going to be port 4000, okay? And then we have our env file. Now let's go ahead and make changes to this. So let me copy everything we have here in the env file. I will go ahead. Let me go ahead and just move this, okay? So now I'll add what I need to add, and then we make changes to this later, okay? Okay, so right now here we have our JWT token. Remember this JWT token that I've created, that is what we are going to use throughout the whole course, okay, in every microservice, okay? So we have the JWT token gateway and the normal JWT token. The node environment is developed, the secret 1 key, secret 2 key. Now the client URL, auth base URL. Now for this, we have not created our auth base, so I will leave it as localhost, okay? So I'll leave this as localhost because we've not created our auth base, our user service, the other services, okay? And now for Redis, we are going to use the Redis container, okay? So this is going to, what is the name of the container? It's called Redis_container. So instead of localhost, so here where you have Redis host, you change this localhost to Redis_container. And then Elasticsearch, this will be Elasticsearch container, okay? Change this to Elasticsearch container. You can leave the APM server because we don't have APM server yet, okay? These ones here, we can leave them the way they are because we have not set up the service right at this point, okay? So maybe once we start adding the services, we can update these properties to use the correct service name instead of using localhost, okay? So this is just what we need to do in order for us to set up the gateway or the API gateway inside Docker Compose.